Hi guys, this is a video on Windows software. This time I'm comparing two compression programs and we're going to see how good they are at compressing. One's going to cost £29.95 in euros and one is going to cost nothing. So we're going to compress a folder full of large pictures, a folder full of small videos, a folder full of documents, I think it's about 160 in there, and a folder full of World of Warcraft. We're going to compress them into their native formats, which is RAR and 7Z, and both into zip using the various programs. Note that you can make, if you were to use one of these, you can actually extract what the other one makes. So, for example, WinRAR can extract 7Z files and 7zip can extract RAR files. So, and also they can both make self-extracting archives. So they make little programs that you just double-click and they extract. So. Let's get started. We'll start with 7zip. They're both going to be put into ultra compression levels or best compression levels for WinRAR. So we're going to this is now compressing the large pictures to a zip file. So we're going to put 7zips along here and WinRAR's below. So I'm going to add again, and I'm going to put it into the 7Z format into ultra and call it large pictures. I'm then going to do the same with WinRAR with its best compression, and it's going to be large pictures.rar, and then I'm going to add again, this time I'm going to do it to zip. I'm going to have to change the name because they're both going to exactly the same name, so I'm going to say large pictures 2. So here we go, that's that done. So here we have their native formats and the zip version. So the original size on disk is 9.49. In 7zip format it's 8.97, and in the RAR format it's 8.98. so 7zip seems to be able to do it quicker or compress it more than WinRAR can. So all the stats will be put into the description. So the large pictures from 7zip, original size was 9.49, 8.97 again from 7zip, sorry, and from WinRAR 8.99. So again, 7zip has gone up when it comes to compressing pictures. Next up, videos. I'm going to move these out of the way. So I'm now going to compress this to the 7zip format to begin with into Ultra, and then this will take slightly longer. This is about 6 videos that I made for YouTube a while ago. They're AVI files, they're about 20 meg each. So in the meantime I'll do this exactly the same with WinRAR. I'm going to do it to RAR and the best compression, smallvideos.rar. So they're now going both together. Hopefully they don't slow each other down too much. And then we'll be putting them into zip. So in the meantime I'll move this down here. So for pictures, 7zip comes on top. And eventually you can see the compressed size as it goes. This is using their best compression ratio, whatever they do. So hopefully we'll get some good file sizes out of this, a lot smaller than the original. World of Warcraft, at the end of the video I'm going to have to pause because as you can see it's 7.73 gigabytes and these are about 100 meg, so it's going to take quite a while to do the World of Warcraft one. So I'll probably pause the video and do all the tests and then come back and show you the results. So the 7Z has done, so I'm going to put that underneath small videos here, and smallvideos.rar is almost done. And I'm now in the meantime then going to do 7zip to the ultra compression but with zip, and I'll call it smallvideos.zip. So that's now, so smallvideos.zip and RAR, that's now going to zip, and I'm going to get WinRAR to go to zip as well, but I need to rename it because if I put it to the same file. So zip, small videos 2, compression method best. So now that they should both do it fairly soon. One's got 16, 15, 13 seconds left, one's got 43, so you can see that this is doing it slightly faster than 7zip is, but perhaps 7zip is compressing it even more than WinRAR is, we'll find. So small videos 2.zip is done, and that was WinRAR. We're still waiting for 7-zip. So in the meantime, I'm going to say small videos had an original file size on the disk of 99.7. So the native format of 7-zip has compressed it to 83.0, and RAR has compressed it to 85.4. So again, 7-zip's come on top for compressing videos in their native format, and once this is done we will compare it with the zips. So this is 7-zip, so small videos, 7-zip's version has done it from 99.7 to 90, and WinRAR has done it from 99.7 to 90.4. So yep, once again comes on top. So next up, documents. 7-zip, add to archive, going to go to its native format, 7Z Ultra, go. And for WinRAR, going to add to archive, RAR, compression best, go. This should take a little bit less time than the other one. So here we have the native formats, and we're now going to put them, starting with 7-zip, into zip files. I'm going to change to zip, and we'll call it all documents 2. And then we're going to do it the same with WinRAR, to zip, and compression of best, call it all documents. So the all documents original file size is 17.8 on disk, and its native in 7-zip is 5.52. Its native in WinRAR is 5.80. So again, 7-zip has come out on top. And in the native zip formats, original size 17.8. Zip in 7-zip is 6.13, and in WinRAR is 6.23. So yep, once again, 7-zip comes out on top. So next up is World of Warcraft. So I can now move these down to here, and we're going to start with going to RAR in its best. So this is going to take a hell of a long time. So I'm going to press OK, and that's going to start going. I've got an estimated thing of 50 minutes here. So I'm then going to compress 7-zip to a 7Z file with Ultra, go. And as you can see, it's going to take about an hour to do, an hour and a half to do. So I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to do 7-zip and RAR, and I'm going to do both into zip as well with the best compression, and I will come back to you with the results. Hi guys, we're back, and the World of Warcraft folder has now finished working. It's taken 5 hours to do these 3. In WinRAR it said that the World of Warcraft 2-zip file size is too large for the zip archive, so WinRAR couldn't do the zip, but 7-zip has done it. So we'll compare the sizes. So World of Warcraft 7.73 gigabytes on disk. When 7-zipped into its native format, it's 7.6 gig, and in RAR format it's 7.61 gig, and in the zip format, unfortunately we can't compare it, it's 7.65 gig for 7-zip. So you can see that always 7-zip has got slightly more compression than WinRAR has. So, and that is in every case for programs, documents, videos and pictures. So it's up to you which one you want to use. 7-zip's free, WinRAR supports more files and is €29.95. As you can see, it doesn't support large zip archives, WinRAR, and 7-zip does. So thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.